out pre-treating a couple of commercial properties. It's like 50% chance of snow in the morning, a couple hours. It's like 2:56 right now. So this way, if there's snow, we can just show up when we do, and not really be in a rush, you know. We can just come here and throw some salt down, check it, and clear sidewalks, whatever we gotta do. And if it don't snow, no big deal. But the main reason we're here is because this place wants us here, and they asked us to be here, so we show up. And I'm gonna go to like probably 5 or 6 seasonal places that pay me no matter what, and just do them at the same time. But I don't even know if I'm gonna go to any of the other places. No one really told me to pre-treat them this year specifically, so I'm just gonna do the ones that already are paying me. So in a way, I'm not really gonna make money, but I'm making money because they already paid me. So there's a lot of salt left over from the last storm. You can see some where we're filling up our buckets right there. You can see all the calcium chloride and going down in the parking lot still built up.